Hi guys, today I will explain during this video the types of blood vessels. Firstly, what are the types of blood vessels? We know that the types of blood vessels are firstly arteries, the second one capillaries, blood capillaries, the last one veins. So arteries, capillaries and veins are types of blood vessels. Okay, so let's talk about each one of them in details about their function and their structure which adapted this vessel to perform its own function. So we will start with arteries. The function of arteries, we know that arteries emerges or comes out from the heart, so it carry blood from heart to tissues, which means all body tissues and all body parts, and uh, they carry oxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery, which carry the oxygenated blood to put it inside the two lungs for the filtration of the blood or exchanging of the kinds of blood. So what are the structures which make or which able these arteries to perform its own function? So let's talk about the arteries structure. Wait a minute. Structure. Firstly, let's talk about the walls of arteries. They have thick walls and narrow lumen, and they have thick and strong muscles with elastic fibers. So uh, thick wall. Why the walls of arteries are thick? So you know that these arteries carry the blood from heart, carry blood from heart. So the pumping of blood firstly pour inside the arteries, so they carry out or withstand very high pressure, so their walls must be thick. So walls uh, thick to withstand high blood pressure as it pumped by heart, so their walls are thick. So what about the narrow lumen? So narrow lumen, so blood flow through it or through them uh, can so blood flow under high pressure, so their the arteries have narrow lumen. After this point about uh, thick and strong muscles with elastic fibers. So elastic fibers for what? Elastic fibers to stress and recoil stress and recoil for keeping blood moving under high pressure. Under high pressure. So elastic fibers to stress and recoil for keeping the blood moving under high pressure, and strong muscles exactly to withstand with the pulse, stand the pulsing of blood. Okay, so arteries have thick wall, narrow lumen, and thick and strong muscles with elastic fibers. And the last point, no valves inside arteries. No valves inside arteries. We know that no valves because of what? Because blood moves through arteries. Blood moves through arteries with high pressure, so it doesn't require the presence of valves inside the arteries. Okay, so this uh, video includes the arteries, and next video inshallah we will talk about the second type of blood vessels, which is capillaries.